Fetch Rewards offers change regularly, and the best way to find higher value deals is by checking the available offers section inside the app before shopping. By the end, you'll know where to find Fetch Rewards offers, how to choose offers that match your purchases, and how to avoid missing available rewards. The first step is opening the Fetch Rewards app and checking the offers available in your account. Fetch Rewards personalizes available deals, so the offers you see may depend on your account and current promotions. This means the best offers are the ones that match products you already plan to buy. The second step is checking the details before completing a purchase. Open an offer and review the requirements, including the product, brand, purchase conditions, and any expiration information shown. An offer only helps if you complete the required action, so checking the details before shopping prevents missed rewards. Another way to find useful offers is by comparing them with your normal shopping list. If you already need a product that has an active Fetch Rewards offer, you can earn points while buying something you plan to purchase. Avoid buying items only because they have rewards unless the purchase makes sense for your budget. The value of the reward depends on completing the offer correctly and using the product after purchase. After shopping, scan your receipt through the Fetch Rewards app and make sure the purchase information is captured correctly. If an offer does not appear after scanning, check that the receipt is readable and that the purchase matches the offer requirements. If you are searching for the best offers each week, make checking the app part of your shopping routine. Offers can change, so reviewing them before each shopping trip helps you see what is currently available. You can also check the app after receiving your receipt because some purchases may qualify for available promotions based on the information connected to your account. The best Fetch Rewards strategy is simple. Check offers before buying, read the requirements carefully, and only complete deals that fit your regular purchases. To summarize, the best offers are found inside the Fetch Rewards app. Offer details determine whether you qualify, and checking before shopping helps prevent missed rewards. Your next step is to open Fetch Rewards, review your available offers, and compare them with your next shopping list. If this guide helped you find better Fetch Rewards offers, like the video, and subscribe for more rewards app guides.